Double-hung window installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our professional window installers in Fayetteville ensure that each double-hung window is installed with precision, providing energy-efficient double-hung windows Fayetteville residents love for enhancing home comfort and reducing energy costs. With our custom window solutions, you can choose from a variety of double-hung windows Fayetteville style options that perfectly match your home's design. Window replacement services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, offer a comprehensive range of options to meet your specific needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient double-hung windows Fayetteville or custom windows Fayetteville, Arkansas, our team provides expert window design consultation to help you select the best products for your home. Our window replacement Fayetteville, Arkansas services ensure that your new double-hung windows Fayetteville are installed correctly and efficiently. Energy-efficient windows in Fayetteville are essential for reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Our window insulation solutions and window sealing services in Fayetteville, Arkansas are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. By choosing energy-efficient double-hung windows Fayetteville, you can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective living environment. Custom window solutions in Fayetteville, Arkansas allow homeowners to personalize their window installation. From window design Fayetteville, Arkansas to window hardware upgrades, our team offers a wide range of options to suit your preferences. Whether you're customizing casement windows or double-hung windows Fayetteville, our window measurement services in Fayetteville, Arkansas ensure a perfect fit for every installation, enhancing both functionality and appearance. Window installation experts in Fayetteville provide reliable window frame installation and window glass replacement services. Whether you need window sash installation Fayetteville, Arkansas or window balance replacement, our skilled technicians are equipped to handle all types of window installations, especially double-hung windows Fayetteville. Our services are designed to restore your windows to their original condition while improving energy performance. Residential window services in Fayetteville, Arkansas cater to homeowners looking for quality and affordability. Our affordable window options in Fayetteville, Arkansas make it easy to upgrade your home with double-hung windows Fayetteville without breaking the bank. From window maintenance Fayetteville, Arkansas to window cleaning services, we offer comprehensive solutions to keep your double-hung windows Fayetteville in top condition. Window frame installation Fayetteville is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our services address issues such as rot, warping, and damage, ensuring that your double-hung windows Fayetteville remain secure and functional. Trust our window installation experts in Fayetteville to provide the best structural solutions for your home's long-term durability. Window glass replacement Fayetteville, Arkansas is essential for maintaining the clarity and efficiency of your windows. Our services offer high-quality glass options that improve insulation and reduce noise. Whether you're upgrading single-pane glass or enhancing double-hung windows Fayetteville, our team is here to help with efficient and reliable replacement. Window maintenance services in Fayetteville, Arkansas are vital for prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Regular window maintenance Fayetteville, Arkansas includes cleaning, sealing, and inspecting your double-hung windows Fayetteville to prevent issues before they arise. Our window maintenance services ensure that your windows stay in excellent condition for years to come. Double-hung window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Fayetteville, Arkansas, seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our professional window installers in Fayetteville ensure precise installation, enhancing your home's energy efficiency and overall value. With a variety of double-hung windows Fayetteville styles available, you can customize your windows to match your home's unique design. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing energy costs and maintaining a comfortable home environment in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Our window replacement services in Fayetteville offer a range of energy-efficient solutions, including window insulation and sealing. Installing energy-efficient double-hung windows Fayetteville provides lasting comfort while lowering your utility bills. Custom window solutions are available for those looking to add a personal touch to their homes in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Our window design consultation services help you choose the perfect style and hardware upgrades. Whether you're focused on aesthetics or function, our window experts ensure your double-hung windows Fayetteville suit your lifestyle and home architecture perfectly. Window maintenance services are crucial for prolonging the lifespan of your windows in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Regular cleaning and frame installation services can prevent costly replacements. Our team offers specialized care for double-hung windows Fayetteville, keeping them efficient and visually appealing throughout the seasons. Affordable window options are available for homeowners in Fayetteville, Arkansas, looking to upgrade their homes without overspending. Our window replacement Fayetteville, Arkansas services provide budget-friendly choices, including durable and stylish double-hung windows Fayetteville, ensuring that quality doesn't have to come at a high cost. Window safety features are a top priority for families in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Our Window Safety Fayetteville, Arkansas services include screen installation and noise reduction features for enhanced security and comfort. Ask us about safe and secure double-hung windows Fayetteville options to protect your loved ones while improving your home. Window glazing services in Fayetteville, Arkansas are essential for improving your home's insulation and noise control. Our Window Glazing Fayetteville, Arkansas team ensures your double-hung windows Fayetteville are properly sealed and efficient. Whether it's for sealing, insulation, or noise reduction, we tailor our solutions to your home's exact requirements. Window measurement services in Fayetteville, Arkansas are crucial to ensure a perfect fit during installation. Our professional window installers in Fayetteville take accurate measurements for your double-hung windows Fayettille, guaranteeing flawless integration with your existing structures and minimizing air leaks or installation issues. Window installation services in Fayetteville, Arkansas are available for homeowners needing upgrades or installations. Our comprehensive Fayetteville window installation includes frame installation and glass replacement, especially for double-hung windows Fayetteville, ensuring your home stays comfortable, stylish, and energy efficient.